when you get the machine in, how do you see the jobs changing? Do you see new business opportunities there, new markets, new customers? Uh, you know, the new machine will allow you to do with its new capabilities.
Yeah, yeah. Again, I'm going to go back to this sort of 50-50 inside-outside opportunity. On the outside, clearly, the ability to have to bring more, a wider range of high quality, bold, graphic, beautiful print to a customer or to a market. That's almost the obvious part
Hmm.
of it. On the internal side, what we're doing is we're really evaluating the idea of how we look at run quantities, how we look at inventory and holding inventory and managing inventory or run and ship items in this conventional manner. We think a press like the X630i is going to allow us to essentially perform our business maybe in a quicker turn, in a quicker workflow. It may allow us to adapt our inventory and run quantities so we can get more done quickly than having to hedge and hold longer.
Yeah.
So that's a real key, a real driver for what we're doing. We think if you take, I'm sure we'll all get asked in the near term about, well, if you add a digital press that doesn't have a converting feature to it, you're creating two passes, you're creating two routes. What we will say is, yes, we are. But if you look at, can I get maybe double the jobs through a certain machine center? Because I take away that pre-press time, I take away that waste, I take away, if I don't have a skilled operator who's able to handle a 4-color plus job in that day,
Hmm.
I can still get that job done. I can still make my customer happy. So we're going to look for ways to quantify all of those gains.